tight. Okay. This is the connection for a faucet adapter, which we are not doing. It's 15 through 24 millimeters faucet adapter that you can adjust it to. So we're not going to be using this one here. So now we're just going to connect this here. It does come with a little blue cap right here. You're just going to take this off and then connect it right on there, and then make sure it's tight. So I'm going to use, I can actually use this one. Loosen it up, and then I'm going to screw it off. This is a water saving gasket. Feels tight enough for me. Now we're going to take this end here, unscrew this blue cap. We're going to connect our shower head here, and there's already, this is what it looks like inside here. I'm just going to connect this. All right, let's try it. I'm gonna put it off. All right. Coming out of the faucet, we're gonna switch it to turn it. And then this has to be on. Right now it's off. So clearly the off works. There you go. Change the setting on here. You have a gasket right here that you can put on there. And have this one. You have this one. And then you have them both. So there you have it. Just twist it back. Turn this off so it doesn't drip out. You want to make sure it's not dripping out. So at first it will let it finish running, but turn it off. And then we will put this up on the wall and hang it on the wall for it. So it is all set up. It is all done. I am not sure where I'm going to hang it. So I'm going to just keep it like this right now. I'm actually about to wash my son's hair, so I'm just gonna leave it like this for now and do it later, but this is how you switch the valve over to change between the two. You're just gonna, this needs to be, the O-ring needs to be faced up, just like that. Turn that there, make sure you put everything tight on here. They do have that plumber's tape. If you wanna use it while you're twisting stuff on, you can do that. But I like it and I'm happy with it, and my son's gonna really appreciate it for washing his hair. All right, it is tight. Now we got that on, now we're gonna tighten it up. Make sure it's nice and